Hello everybody, welcome back to the channel. Today I've got my Defender 90 here with me and I'm tasked with, I'm going to take the seat box out of the car. It needs to be resprayed the same colour as our lovely wings. We're saving this for a bit later down the line. I couldn't find any tutorials online of how to actually take the seat box out, probably because it's so simple, but I thought I'd make this video for anyone else out there who needs a bit of help getting theirs off. So I'm going to do it and I'll take you with me through the whole process.
Let's get started.
Okay, so the first step is obviously to take the seats off. The seats are, these bits come off, like the actual seats just come off. And then if you come and look here, you can see there are 4 bolts, 1, 2, 3, 4 holding them in. And it's just a 13mm spanner to undo them, so I'll do that now. Okay, so we've taken the 4 bolts off there and there. To access the back side of these bolts here, you have to sort of go under here and in there. So now I should be able to take the chair out. Ooh, okay. Okay, that's one out, one to go. Okay, so as you can see, I got the seats out. It took ages. There were like 10mm here, 13mm on these ones, 9mm, and then back to 10. I mean, whoever built this car, just I don't know, it's just a bit here, there, and everywhere. But the next thing I can see holding the seat box in is there's some bolts along here at the top. I've already got my drill on one of them, so I'm going to. I assume the next thing to take off is these, so I'm going to give it a bit of a clean and get all of these off now. Okay, so to get the last bolt out here, I had to take the seat belt bracket thing in, and just look how much dirt there is in this car. I mean, it's absurd. That is all the bolts on this side done, so I'm just going to put this bracket back and then I'll focus on these bolts on the side. So I've taken the floorboard out. I don't know where the hell I've put that. But there's a bolt here that's still holding it in, so I'm going to undo that one next. And yeah, it's quite difficult, so the bolts are rusty, but we're slowly getting there. So taking out the floor mats here to expose the plate, and that plate needs to come off in order to get this off. So let's take that out. Let's put this one in. One, 2. Okay. Done. Done. So now that bolt's there. Got it out finally. Okay, so once you've undone that bolt that I was just showing you over there, make sure you've also done the ones 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I didn't film me undoing these ones on this side or that side because it just took so long. All the bolts are rusted. So now you can see here, there's this little metal section which I've got to take off, but then once that's off, this should come out because you can see nothing's really holding it in. Let's take this off. God, that is really knackered, so I'm just getting you one of those. So the last thing holding the seat box in is this handbrake, so I'm going to take that apart and sort of figure out what needs to be done to, yeah, let the seat box come free now.
Oh, that was a little close.
And there it is, it's out. It's not the best looking piece of metal in the world, but yeah, it's out. These bolts that were here were the main issue, like that one there, that was a nightmare. And same for the side, but once you've got the bolts, it's not that hard, so yeah, pretty happy with that. Okay everyone, that is the seat box out. If you have any questions whatsoever, feel free to drop a comment below. I will respond to everyone. While you've got the seat box out, it wouldn't be a bad idea to do a bit of maintenance, spraying some rust protection on the chassis or any little bits. Just remember as well, you don't have a handbrake, because my handbrake now doesn't work, so make sure you don't do this on a hill or anything and then undo the handbrake, because yeah, you know, I'm sure you can imagine what will happen. But yeah, thanks for watching. It was a slightly different video today, but next week we'll have Archie back and we'll get a video out together. So I'm going to go spray the clear coat on the bonnet, and I'll see you all next Sunday.